My name is Dr. Ben Geary. I'm a lecturer in environmental archaeology in the Department of Archaeology here at UCC, and today we are out with the CK107 Geographical and Archaeological Sciences students, and this is the module AR2046. This is a core module that's undertaken at the end of the second year, and really this is an opportunity for the students to put into practice all the skills and techniques they've learnt in the lectures during the course of the year. We're down here on the beach. You can see this is Garryvo Beach, and we're looking at intertidal peat deposits. We've been doing some coring to look at the sediments and describing the sediments that are here, and we've also been surveying those points in as well. And what we're thinking about today is what these deposits tell us about how the environment has changed really over the last 10,000 years. So the peat deposits show us a period when relative sea level was really much lower. So what we're learning about today is changes in sea level, changes in relative sea level over the last 10,000 years, and really the role of processes such as climate in leading to rising sea levels. So really this is extremely important in terms of current debates and issues to do with sea level change in the present day. Today we're out on the coast of East Cork, Garryvo, and this is part of the course AR2046, which is the Geoarchaeology Field School. So we've been out for the week, and we'll be looking at different landscapes and investigating different landscapes across Cork and East and West Cork. And today we're down here on the beach looking at some intertidal peat deposits. This is the Geoarchaeology Field School module, which is a core module that's undertaken at the end of the second year. And as part of that module, we spend a week out in East and in West Cork looking at various sites and really putting into practice all the skills and the methods that we've discussed in the classroom during the year.
I'm Zoe, I'm from CK107 and I'm a second year. We are here at Garryvo Beach studying intertidal peat deposits and kind of discovering what happened here in the past.
The students today have been learning a wide variety of different techniques. We've been using hand-operated coring equipment to take cores through the peat bed so we can explore the sediments at depth. We've also been learning how to describe different sediments. This is extremely important technique, and it's really one you have to do in the field. It's not one that can just be learned in the classroom. Other techniques we've been using, we've been also doing some survey. We've been learning how to use survey equipment to take relative heights on some of these core samples that we've been extracting. The site we've been looking at down at Garryvo is a remarkable site in many ways, because we can see in the cores that we're taking through these intertidal deposits, we can see the impact of sea level change. We can see how the sediment change through time as sea level rises in this area, and this is happening in the prehistoric period. It's happening probably at least perhaps 6,000 years ago. So it's really vivid evidence of the impact of rising sea levels.
I'm Sarah, and I'm in CK107 Geography and Archaeology in UCC, second year. Today we're taking coring samples of the peat environment, which shows the sea level change. So this area here, it wasn't actually a beach. A couple of thousand years ago, it was actually a forest, and we're able to tell that because coring down there's peat deposits, and that shows that this area was actually covered in forestry.
CK107 Geographical and Archaeological Sciences is a relatively new course here at UCC, and it's really a course that's been designed to bring together geography and archaeology and to consider themes and issues at that interface. So particularly looking at issues concerning, for example, the environment, how the environment has changed through time, how people respond in different ways to environmental change. So these are the kind of themes that really the course is intended to look at.